Hey everyone, I'm Corazon,
Edward.
Naava, and Nefera. Nadia's in tutoring. We're doing 24 hours living in our vehicles. We have a truck and a car. Stay tuned to see how it goes. So we just washed both vehicles and we're about to go get our eldest in tutoring. So there's a Santa's workshop at my daughter's schools, and my daughter got her younger sister a Christmas gift. Well, I don't know if it's a Christmas gift, maybe just a gift because she's opening it now. Or a Christmas gift that's opened early. Oh, look at that! Say thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Sister.
You're welcome.
So her friend Kelly got her a Christmas gift, and she decided to open it now instead of wait for Christmas, so we're letting her. What is it? From Nadia to Nadia.
Because I like drawing a lot, so.
From Nadia to Nadia.
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, cute! Had to get baby wipes at the Walmart. I decided to get some chips too. Alright people, so we got in the truck, we put down the seats, and we're gonna go to sleep now.
So stop rolling.
Good night.